morning. It is Monday, June the 5th, 2023, and it's time for a reality check. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey, and I'm using Optavia's 5&1 program. I have a goal to lose 150 pounds, and so far, well, I'll let you know how much I lost total in just a minute. I am an independent Optavia coach, and as part of my own accountability for myself, I make these reality checks each week, almost every week, to let you know how I did as far as weight loss in inches go. And I also like to share a little bit of something that I have learned in the last week or that I am learning along this journey and share that with you as well. Before I share how I did this week though, would you please scroll down just a little bit and give this video a thumbs up? My love language is words of affirmation, and that little thumbs up is just your way of affirming me and telling me that I'm doing a good job, you're cheering me on, and you want to see me continue to follow this path that I'm on of this big weight loss goal. This week was just a normal week, nothing unusual, did the normal work. I actually did have an extra day of watching my granddaughter, which was a little unusual, but still it was a normal week, following the plan, sticking to my menu plan, sticking to my organization and how I continue to follow the program, getting my fuelings in, getting my water in, eating healthy, lean and green meals. And it is continuing to serve me well, so let me show you how I did this week. I lost 1.4 pounds and a half an inch. All in all, that was a great week. The average weight loss on this program is a pound a week, roughly. They say 12 pounds in 12 weeks, and most people are on the program for 12 weeks. I just finished week 50, so you can see I've been doing it a lot longer. But anytime that I lose anything at all is a good week. So 1.4. That brings my total weight loss to 122 pounds total. And I've also lost 64 inches total. So in 50 weeks, 122 pounds, 64 inches, not bad at all. Most likely I'm not going to hit my goal of losing 125 pounds by my birthday, which is a week from today. I don't think I'm going to lose 3 pounds in a week, especially since I am going to be out of town, so out of my regular routine. But that is okay, because by the following week, I will have been on the program for 1 year. So I started June the 20th. So June 19 is the end, basically, of 52 weeks on the program. And by that time, I'm fairly certain I will have hit my goal of losing 125 pounds. I may add, then I'll have another 25 pounds to my ultimate goal of 150 pounds. I may add another 15 pounds to that, 10 to 15 pounds, and give myself the ultimate goal of 165. But I am not sure about that. So I'm going to wait till I get to that 150, see how I'm feeling there, maybe do another 10 to 15 and then start transitioning. Ideally, I would really like to be hitting transition by the beginning of October. So that's kind of what I'm shooting for. We'll see. Again, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. It is taking time, and it's okay to take that time. This is working for me. This program, every time I talk to somebody, I just get reassured this program is working. It works for me. I can't say that it's going to work for you the way that it works for me, but I just know that for me, following what the program says, the way the program says to do it, seems to be working wonders for my body. It is responding really well. I am consistently losing each week. So in 50 weeks, I have lost every week except for one. And that 1 week was not something that I did. It was just my body doing a reset, which is totally understandable when you're trying to lose a lot of weight. So I just know that if I follow this plan 100%, it will work. With that being said, though, I hope that you hear my heart in when I say there's no judgment from me if you choose to go to a party and have X thing that is not on the Optavia program. That is your path, that is your journey. I will still be there to support and celebrate you and encourage you and hold your hand and give you words of wisdom. That's just what I plan on doing, and it is your journey. It is not mine. And I'm just here to share with you how I have succeeded on my own journey in the hopes that my path will help to encourage you when you're feeling discouraged. I am very fortunate on this journey that I really haven't had a lot of hiccups in the road. I haven't had a plateau yet. I have been able to be consistent, and I don't know if it's just because my body responds really well to this, what the reason is that I have not hit a plateau. I know that there are people that do, but I'm not walking their journey. I don't know what they're doing from day to day to be able to say why they are hitting a plateau. I just know that for me, this is what has worked unbelievably well for me. All I can do is just share with you my journey, what it has done, what this program has done for me, how successful I have been as far as what I do so that I can hopefully be an encouragement to other people. So my bags are packed, my fuelings are packed. I am headed out to just love on my girls for a week, and I can't wait to do that and celebrate them and just love on them. That is going to be a great week and some great times. So there won't be a reality check next week because I won't be here. I'm not planning on taking my computer with me, so I won't be doing any recording or editing while I'm gone. I do have some videos in the can already scheduled to post while I'm gone, so you will get a Fun with Fuelings, you will get a Lean and Green with me while I'm gone. And then I won't be weighing and measuring, so when I get back, it will be a 1 year on program celebration reality check where we will see how I did as a whole year on the program. So have a great 2 weeks, and until I see you next time, please live in the light.